All right, in your browser, just type Anaconda download and follow the first link that appears, which is download Anaconda distribution. Once you are here, it's requesting for some registration, but you can just skip the registration and proceed to download. So once you click download, choose where you need it to download. Okay, let me just assume I just want here. Wait for the download to be completed. So once the download is completed, just go ahead and install. All right, once you have downloaded your Anaconda and installed, just go to Anaconda Navigator. This is after you have installed everything. And once you open your Anaconda, you can find a Jupyter notebook here, and you can just launch from here. So that is how you can use your Jupyter notebook in Anaconda so that you can easily code in Python. Thank you so much for watching the video. Kindly make sure you subscribe and like the video. I hope it was very much helpful.